Imagine becoming one of the biggest superstars in the country. Millions admire you. Magazines call you the most beautiful woman in Bollywood. Your face is everywhere. But one day, you disappear. And years later, people discover that the glamorous star they once worshipped died alone in silence. This is not a movie. This is the tragic and mysterious story of Parveen Babi. The 1970s were changing Bollywood forever. India was becoming modern. Fashion was changing. Music was changing. And audiences wanted something new. For years, Bollywood actresses were mostly shown as simple, traditional women. But then, a new face appeared on screen. Confident, glamorous, fearless. And that face belonged to Parveen Babi. She wasn't just an actress. She became a symbol of a completely new Bollywood. But behind the glamour and fame, there was a woman slowly falling apart inside.
हो गया ये लो चल बेटा भाई नमस्ते अरे नमस्ते इंस्पेक्टर की बीवी अरे बेटा
Parveen Babi was born on 4th April 1949 in Junagadh, Gujarat. She belonged to a royal Pathan family. Her father, Wali Muhammad Babi, was much older than her mother, and he passed away when Parveen was still very young. Losing her father at an early age deeply affected her childhood. Even though she grew up in comfort and privilege, there was always a feeling of emptiness in her life. People who knew her described her as intelligent, soft-spoken, and emotional. She studied at St. Xavier's College in Ahmedabad, where she developed an interest in literature and culture. At that time, acting was not her dream. She never imagined that one day, the entire country would know her name. But destiny had other plans. Parveen's beauty was impossible to ignore. Tall, stylish, modern-looking, she stood out instantly. Soon, she entered the world of modeling. And during the early 1970s, modeling itself was considered bold and unconventional for women in India. But Parveen didn't care about society's expectations. She was independent, confident, different, and that difference became her biggest strength. Film producers quickly noticed her. In 1973, she entered Bollywood with the film Charitra. Her early films were not very successful, but slowly, audiences began noticing her screen presence. She didn't behave like the typical Bollywood heroine. She looked modern. She dressed differently. She carried herself with confidence rarely seen in Indian cinema at that time. And soon, Bollywood found its new sensation. The mid-1970s changed everything. Parveen Babi began appearing in one blockbuster after another. Films like Diwar, Amar Akbar Anthony, Namak Halal, and Shaan turned her into one of Bollywood's top actresses. She worked alongside legends like Amitabh Bachchan, Shashi Kapoor, and Dharmendra, and audiences loved her. She represented glamour in a way Bollywood had never seen before. Young women copied her hairstyles, her outfits, her makeup. Everything about her became fashionable. In magazines, she looked like a Hollywood star. And then came a historic moment. In 1976, Parveen Babi became the first Bollywood actress to appear on the cover of Time magazine. For Indian cinema, this was huge. It proved that Bollywood stars could gain international recognition. Parveen Babi had reached the peak of success. From the outside, her life looked perfect. But inside, darkness was growing. Parveen's personal life was always complicated. She was linked with actor Danny Denjongpa and later actor Kabir Bedi. But her most talked about relationship was with filmmaker Mahesh Bhatt. Mahesh Bhatt later openly spoke about their relationship and revealed details that shocked many people. According to him, Parveen would sometimes become extremely fearful. She believed people were watching her. She thought someone wanted to harm her. One night, Mahesh Bhatt returned home and found Parveen sitting in a corner, terrified, holding a knife. She believed someone was coming to kill her. At first, people thought it was stress. But slowly, her condition became more serious. At the peak of her career, Parveen Babi began suffering from severe mental health problems. Today, many believe she suffered from paranoid schizophrenia. But during the 1970s and 1980s, mental health was not understood the way it is today. Instead of compassion, people responded with gossip. Instead of support, she faced isolation. Parveen became deeply paranoid. She believed powerful people were trying to kill her. She accused film stars and even international organizations allegations of conspiracy against her. Sometimes she disappeared for days. Sometimes she locked herself inside her apartment. The glamorous superstar who once dominated Bollywood was slowly losing control of her reality. And the saddest part was, very few people truly understood what she was going through. Bollywood moves fast. The industry that once celebrated Parveen slowly moved on. New actresses arrived, new trends came, and Parveen began disappearing from films. One day, she simply vanished from the public eye. Fans were confused. Rumors spread everywhere. Some said she had gone abroad. Others believed she had become spiritually disconnected from the world. But the truth was much more painful. Parveen Babi was fighting a lonely battle inside her own mind. Years passed. The glamorous actress who once appeared on magazine covers now lived mostly alone. She rarely trusted anyone. Her interviews became emotional and unpredictable. Sometimes she looked calm, sometimes frightened, and sometimes completely broken. As the years went by, Parveen became increasingly isolated. Many old friends disappeared from her life. The film industry had already moved on. She spent most of her time alone in her Mumbai apartment. And then, in January 2005, something heartbreaking happened. Newspapers and milk packets began collecting outside her apartment door. Neighbors noticed that her door had not opened for days. Finally, the police entered the apartment. And there, they found Parveen Babi dead. She had died alone. No family around her. No film industry friends beside her. No cameras. No glamour. Just silence. The same woman who once ruled Bollywood left the world in complete loneliness. But even today, people remember Parveen Babi. Not just because she was beautiful, but because her life tells a deeper story. A story about fame, about loneliness, about mental health, about how success cannot always protect someone from pain. She changed Bollywood forever. She brought modern glamour and confidence to Indian cinema. But behind her smile was a woman silently fighting battles nobody could see. Sometimes, the brightest stars burn the fastest. And maybe that is why the story of Parveen Babi still feels so heartbreaking even today.